What are you doing?
I want to learn something.
It will be a lesson learned.
You want to watch TV?
I'm not saying anything bad. You learn a lesson. You have to learn your own. Watch what now? You want to watch some cartoons or something? I don't know. All he's got is Avatar, and I don't think you're going to want to watch Avatar.
Come here, Mackenzie. Come here.
Not very good. Kids, you want some chips for hug?
Yeah, what kind of chips do you?
We have salt and vinegar. We got these kind. We got these kind, and we got the regular chips. You want some dip? Some dip, yes.
No.
What about chips?
Yeah.
Oh, that stuff's too hot.
Wait, I want to see that.
It's good.
Louisiana hot sauce in it? Ooh.
Oh no, I ain't put no Louisiana hot sauce.
What? Y'all are being recorded right now.
Oh, no, we're not. Oh, jeez. You're great.